Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a quick Buick GS update video for you. Got a little bit more done on it. Nothing earth-shattering, but you know, baby steps, right? So this time, the wiring harness is completely out. So previously there's a rat's nest of wires up there, and we finally got that pulled out. That's where the fuse box came through the firewall. All that is out, and so everything is laid bare. So the entire wiring harness is out. The other thing that was done is pulled off the trunk lid. Pretty easy process. And the rear bumper is all gone, right? Where'd that rear bumper go? It's right there. You see standing up. So some tips on this real quick. You can leave the tail light assemblies in the bumper. You don't have to take them out if you don't want to. It could all come out as an assembly. The bolts, main bolts here are kind of, there's four basically, like kind of here and here, right? And then like here and here, okay? And then this one in the middle, okay? Not directly in the middle, just offset. And that one, we hung this up when we were trying to pull this thing off. So don't forget about this one in the middle, just to the right of the gas cap. Another tip that made this a lot easier, to get this back bolt, you know, you're coming in from kind of that back side, coming in this way, right? Because the bumper's here. It is a pain in the butt to reach. What I would recommend, and what we did, was I actually popped the exhaust hanger here, right? To drop this side of the exhaust. That gave me the clearance I needed to get up in here. If not, if you could get that bolt to move, you're talking like 3-degree ratchet swing. It really sucked. There's not a lot of maneuvering. You can't get an impact up in there. But what we were able to do is get up in there enough where I got an air ratchet in there. I'm sure a long, if you have an electric ratchet like the Milwaukee, like the long handle, would probably work better. I was able to get my air ratchet up in there, and then I was able to use the ratchet, you know, without turned on, right? Just enough, I had enough leverage to break it loose. And a combination of breaking it loose and then working the air to try to, you know, spin it, I was able to break it loose enough where the air ratchet could then zip it off. So I would highly recommend that. That made the process a whole lot easier. Besides that, that's about it. I mean, not a lot of progress. I mean, at the time of this recording, it is, what? It's New Year's Day, 2024. Happy New Year. So it's been over the holidays, right? So everyone's busy, and we haven't been cranking wrenches as much because spending time with family is a lot more important. Even though cranking wrenches is spending time with family, you know. But, so I'm sure this will ramp up a little more as the time goes on. But for now, this is where we're at. Good progress. If you guys like the series and you like the content I'm giving you, please like, share, subscribe. If you haven't, it really helps out the channel. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.